Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to send money from Canada to the USA. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying for goods, or handling business transactions, I'll guide you through the simplest and most secure methods step by step. Let's dive in. First off, why send money internationally? It's often for personal or professional reasons, but the key is doing it efficiently. The most popular options include online services like Wise or PayPal, traditional bank transfers, and wire services like Western Union. Each has its pros and cons, so let's break them down. Starting with online services. Platforms like Wise are super user-friendly. To use Wise, download the app or visit their website, create an account, and link your Canadian bank account. Then, enter the amount you want to send, select USD as the currency, and provide the recipient's US bank details. Wise typically offers low fees and real-time exchange rates, making it a favorite for quick transfers. Expect it to take 1 to 2 business days. If you prefer banks, log into your Canadian bank's online portal, go to the International Transfer section, and fill out the details for the US recipient. You'll need their account number, routing number, and possibly SWIFT codes. This method is reliable but can be pricier with higher fees and exchange rate markups. Plan for 3 to 5 business days. Don't forget about PayPal or Western Union for smaller amounts. With PayPal, just log in, add funds from your bank, and send to the recipient's email or phone. It's fast, often within minutes, but watch out for fees. Western Union is great for cash pickups, available at locations worldwide. Just visit a branch or use their app. A few tips to keep in mind. Always compare exchange rates and fees to avoid surprises, verify recipient details to prevent errors, and consider the transfer speed based on your needs. Also, for larger sums, check for any tax implications or regulations between Canada and the USA. There you have it. Sending money from Canada to the USA doesn't have to be complicated. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.